Hello brothers and sisters. Today I'm here to show you a CORUM watch, and you can buy this watch because this is for sale in a very good, very reasonable price. So let's start with an unboxing. You see a huge outer paper box. This is something amazing and something really huge. I will show the watch next to the box and you will see how big is this. So let's remove it. You see there is CORUM written on it. It's a very great quality paper box in blue color. Alright, we have here an inner part and an inner wooden box. This is really amazing, very nicely textured. And we've got here a little inner box, if you like it. We have got here a very nice pen from CORUM, covered with rubber, and this is also a pencil and the pen too. Very clever and very nice gift. Of course, we've got the booklet here in a nice leather booklet keeper. Here is the book. Okay, and of course we've got the warranty card, but I cannot show you that for now. And now let's focus on the main thing. What is the watch? You see how huge is the box compared to the timepiece. What is a CORUM Admirals Cup TIDES 48mm pink gold edition. So it's a huge watch with 48mm case, but it's really disappear in this huge box, what is really high-end and high quality. So let's see the timepiece. Here we go. So as I mentioned, this is gold, pink gold pink gold edition. The case is 48mm wide. That means this is a really big watch, a big timepiece. The crown is gold, of course. The bezel is some kind of Kevlar, and the strap is the well-known CORUM strap, very great quality vulcanized rubber strap. And we have here a huge buckle made from gold too. So let's bring it closer. All right. So here we go. The watch is so-called diver watch, but this is water resistant, only 100 meters, so not the ultimate diver piece. But the glass, what is the sapphire glass, is domed enough, as you may see. Okay, let's talk about the dial because that is really unique. As you see, we've got 3 sub-dial here. The upper shows the moon phase indicator, and the numbers written next to the moon phase, so the full moon, the new moon, the quarters. So the number shows the strongness of the tides. So the watch can show you how strong will be the tides on the ocean at the exact moment if you set it correct to the moon phase. By the way, you can set the moon phase indicator and the other complications with some pushers. on the case, and with the huge crown you only manipulate the time, the hour and second, the minute hands and the date window, because we have a date complication here too. Okay, let's talk about the second subdial. What will show you the highness or lowness of the tide. So it's a little bit complex, but that will tell you how strong is the tide on the ocean. And the downer, the last subdial, will show you a 24 hours indication and a day and night indication. I hope you see. So there are a lot complication in this piece, and of course this one show you the accurate exact time too. We've got a second hand here, and you see those nautical patterns or little flags from the nautic life, and you see indexes and numbers on the dial. What is a nice brown dial, what matching the whole look of the watch very nicely. Alright, let's give some power to the watch. You have to screw out the huge and gold crown, and if you start it to wind, after a while the movement will start to run. The movement is an automatic in-house movement with 21 joules and 42 hours of power reserve. Maybe that is not the most power reserve you can have, but think about how complex is this complication module. So that is the cost to have this ultimate nautical instrument on this watch. And if you click it, you can move. You see the date, and if you click too, you will be able to move the hands, and you see the discs and the little hands will move too, because the tides can be calculated or measured if you know what is the day and what is the exact time, because this whole thing connected to the gravity of the moon, and that's all. So this is a very complex, very cool looking watch. The screwing crown, of course. And now let me give you a wrist shot to let you see how huge is the watch. Here we go. This is it. Really cool, really big. I think that is cool. Okay. If we turn it back, you can see the case back is made of gold and some part of it is covered with rubber too. And you can see the beautiful cup from the Admiral's Cup. What was nearly an unofficial world championship of sailing for nearly 50 years. Alright, hope you liked it. See you later.